What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I have another product unboxing and overview for you. If you've been following me, you know that I just got a Blackstone Griddle, and one thing that I really needed was a cover for it. So on Facebook I saw a company called Backyard Life Gear, and these guys, what they do is they make aluminum covers for the Blackstone Griddle. They also make some other accessories, such as they got this one shelf that goes on the front to basically put like your oils and water and rags or sauces or whatever else you might have. So I contacted the company and they sent me one so I could unbox it and show it to you guys. So I'd like to give them a good shout out and a thank you for sending this so that we can check it out. All right, I do have the 36-inch Blackstone Griddle. If you hadn't seen my video unboxing it, I did it a couple weeks ago. I'll put the link up right now. I got it from Walmart for $199 on clearance. And let me tell you, I've been using it every few days since I got it, and I'm really liking this thing. But it does need a cover across the top of it to keep, especially this time of year, trees are starting to come out, the pollen's going. You need something to cover that up so you don't have to basically try to clean it every single time before you cook on it. So the guy sent it out to me. This is the 36-inch version. Basically comes in a box like this. Now, one thing I did notice, my box did come with a hole in it, but obviously not the Outdoor Life deal. It's most likely the carrier. This was UPS that delivered it. And this thing is really light. It's not going to be hard to get this thing on and off. Let me give you their information right here. So Backyard Life Gear. There's their website right there. I'll also put the link in the description below if you want to give them, check them out and see what they got. So I haven't seen this thing yet. You guys will be the first to see it with me. So let's go ahead and cut it open this thing and get into it. So this is what I got. This is the diamond plate aluminum cover for the 36-inch Blackstone Griddle. It is extremely lightweight. You can see that I'm picking it up with one hand here. Now, I decided on the diamond plate because I like the diamond patterns, but they also have a flat one too if you don't want the diamond. Now, these things are right around $150. Now, some of the features I'm seeing, it's got a handle on the front that'd be easy to grab it, but also on the underside, it has. Let me see if I can get you here. It's got these hinges. It's got two of them. There's the other one. And what that does is it hangs on the back of your griddle while you're cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here and let's see what kind of fit we got. As you can see, it fits completely over the entire griddle. It's going to protect it from like all that pollen and dirt and dust that I was talking about earlier. And when you're ready to use it, we basically pick it up and then hang it on the back of it. And not only is that a good spot to put it when you're cooking, for me, I use mine up against my house. So that's actually going to act as a splatter protection when I'm cooking, especially bacon and stuff, so I don't get grease all over the house. It's actually an extra added bonus for me. Also, you can see it's covering the entire back. It's a windscreen, so it'll help block some of the wind. So now I only got to worry about the sides of wind coming in, but that back there is the biggest piece of that you would get wind in. So it's a good little windscreen too. And then when you're done cooking and cleaning, you just basically pick it up and put it back on top of it. And it covers it perfectly. All right, I'm going to take you with me now just so you can see the actual fit of this thing to show exactly how it goes. So you can see it goes completely over your grease drain. But it fits nicely all the way around it. I'll actually use this when I'm doing other barbecuing or smoking. I'll use it for a table out here. It actually adds me some extra countertop space. So, this is a simple enough product. There's not that much to go over. Just basically trying to show you the quality of it. And also that I like to be upfront with you guys of any equipment that I use, any stuff that I buy as far as food, the equipment I get in. I want you to know where you can get it to and how much it costs. So that's why I do these videos, just to show you exactly what I'm using and where to get it from. Alright guys, that's my quick overview of the Backyard Life Gears 36-inch diamond plated aluminum cover for the Blackstone Griddle. It's going to work out good for me. It's very good quality. It's light. You can maneuver it around good. So it's going to work out perfect for what I need it for. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out their website. Check out their products. And as always, if you got any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And always, holler back.